Hey everybody, I wanted to post a video on how to fix a Jeep Cherokee power seat that is only moving on one side. This is my wife's 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited. I'll show you the problem. Um, I'm only going to move it a little bit, but if you'll notice, it's only moving forward on the left side, the side nearest to the console. When I press the button, you see it only goes a little bit and then it goes back, and that the side over here on the button is not going forward, and it kind of binds. It has taken me literally hours to figure out what the problem is. We took it to a dealership. They said the motor was burned out. They wanted to charge $1,500 for a whole new seat. I thought there may be a better solution, so let me show you what I discovered. Going down underneath the seat, first I raised the seat all the way up, so the height would still go up and down. You'll see that the height goes down, the height goes up, so raise it all the way up to the highest level and then go underneath the seat. I put a light here so you can see. So hopefully you can see this. This is the motor way back here, and the way the seat actually works is when you press the button, this motor here spins a little shaft, this little kind of black and white shaft. I can't really get on it because of the light, but that's what spins. And you'll see on this outside edge there's a little rod, and it's not connected to anything. So that's the problem, is when it's spinning this outside edge, it's not connected. I thought it was broken, but in reality, if you can get underneath here, there's a little tiny socket that pops into, and you just need to flex this little rod down right underneath where it is into that little hole, and then the seat will work. Kind of tough to do with one hand, but if you have two hands, you'll see right here there's a little space, and this flexible rod kind of bends down and will lock in there. Hang on, and I'll connect it so you can see. All right, so I'm sorry I was not able to show you how to connect it because it takes two hands, but you'll see now that it's connected inside there. That wire, the long black wire, is no longer free. I flexed the tube and just popped it in there. And then when I go back to use the adjuster, you'll see the seat now goes forward like brand new, and back. So hopefully that helps. That took literally hours to determine, but you can literally fix it in 5 minutes with no tools. All right.